Welcome again, class 3. So this video is for part 4 for lesson number 3. Let's start. Open page number 31. Today we are going to do starting an app, that is application program. So children, you can start an application program or app, short form of application program, installed on your computer to perform any task. For example, to write a letter, you can start MS Word. To draw a picture, you can start Paint program. Okay, now let's have a look how you can start an app. For an example, let's open Paint program using Start menu. So steps for it. First, you have to click on the Start button, which is present on the desktop. Second step is click on all program. When you click on start button, then start menu will appear and then you have to click on all program. I have circled all program in the picture. Then third step is click on accessories. And fourth is click on paint. So you have to follow 4 steps to open paint. Then you can see after clicking on paint, the paint application appear in front of you. That means paint app will get open. Now you can work on it. Okay, after completing your work, you want to close this app. So what you will do, you will click on close button on the top right side. So you will click on this close button. This will bring you back to the desktop. So when you click on this button, you will come back to your desktop like this. Okay. Now next on page number 32 and 33, there are putting Windows to sleep, restarting the computer and shutting down the computer. Now children, how can you do these 3 functions on computer? I will show you practically. Okay. Now children, let's have a look. How can we put our window to sleep mode? Before that, what is sleep mode? Now come to your books. Sleep mode means that your computer is in a temporary low power mode. That means this saves electricity. So when you put your computer on sleep mode, you save electricity. So now the steps are given in your book. We just have to follow all the steps. Okay, so the first step is you have to click on the start button. You can see my mouse pointer here. Alright, now I will come here to the start button and click the start button to open start menu. When I open start menu, I will click on the shut down arrow button. Now children, you are working with Windows 7. So come to your books and you can see here, when you click on the start button, this menu will get open, which is start menu. And here there is a button of shut down. After that, there is one arrow. When you click on this arrow, you will get some options. From that options, you will choose sleep because you want to put your computer on sleep mode. So you will just click on that sleep mode. When you click on that sleep mode, you can see my computer automatically go to sleep mode. Now children, one more thing in sleep mode, if you want to return from sleep mode, so you have to press one button. You can press any of the key or you can press the power button of your system unit. Now I am pressing my power button of my laptop. You can see here. See, now my computer is again switched on. Alright, so this is how you can put your computer on sleep mode and you can get back to your desktop screen. Another thing which we are going to do, which is on page number 33, that is restarting the computer and shut down the computer. So children, I have already told you that what is restarting the computer means. Remember booting? So when you start the computer, that is cold booting, but when you restart the computer, that is warm booting. Now how can we restart the computer? But before that, why we restart our computer? We restart our computer, sometimes our computer is not operating properly. So we restart our computer to try to fix a problem. Okay, restarting means this computer will get shut down by itself and get started by itself only. Now let's have a look. We will follow all these steps on the screen. First, the same steps you will follow as you follow for the sleep mode. Click on the start button, then start menu appears, then you will click on that arrow, alright, side of shutdown button, and then you will click on this restart because you want to restart your computer. When I click on this, you can see on my screen restarting is coming. Okay, now the computer is off. Now it will get on by itself. See. Okay, so that is restarting the computer. Again you will go to this arrow and you will click on this restart button. Now after completing your work, you have to shut down your computer. Okay, so how can you shut down your computer? You have to follow the same steps again. First, click on the start button, then come to the shut down button. Now you no need to press this arrow. Okay, you can simply click on this shut down button and you can shut your computer off like this. Now it's coming shutting down. That means your computer is now getting shut down. So that's all, children. And one important tip, that if you want to open a start menu from your keyboard, there is one button that is known as window button. You can see here. Okay, so while pressing this button also you can open the start menu. So we are done with this chapter now. Do revision and do reading at home. Thank you.